This is the CoolPac280 summer packing instructions for 2 to 8 degrees. Place 4 Cool Gel 103 frozen on the bottom. Place 1 CoolPac280 PE sheet on top of the frozen. Place 4 Cool Gel 103 chilled on top of the PE sheet. Place 2 CoolPac280 inner product cartons in the center of the. Place 10 Cool Gel 102 chilled around the product cartons. Place 4 Cool Gel 103 chilled on top of the product carton. Place 1 CoolPac280 PE sheet on top of the chilled. Place 4 Cool Gel 103 frozen on top of the PE sheet. Place the CoolPac280 lid on and take off the cardboard firmly.